Effective managers don't wait for problems to appear on the construction site. They identify them early and take action before they cause delays. Let's take this construction schedule for a residential building as an example. Here, we see a long sequence of tasks planned one after another: flooring, kitchen assembly, electrical work, painting, and more. The Tactplan view also allows us to assign tasks to specific locations. So, we can clearly see how smoothly different crews move from one area to the next. Unfortunately, changes on a construction site are inevitable and can affect even the best plan. In this case, the kitchen assembly is expected to face a significant delay. After updating the task duration, we can see how the entire sequence shifts, creating a large gap where no work will be performed. But that's not all. Some of the tasks scheduled after the kitchen assembly also move. This helps to keep the crews working continuously, but it also creates an unacceptable idle period in that part of the project. To fix this, we can, for example, agree with the painting crew to split their work into 2 phases. This keeps the workflow balanced and informs the painters about a 3-week break, giving them time to plan other jobs. This is proactive problem solving in action, when issues are still small and solutions are fast and cost-effective. Visit our website and start your free trial today.